What's up, guys? It's Steve here, and welcome back to my page where we talk about Turo and everything and how to make your platform just run smoothly, your fleet run smoothly. But you get what I'm saying. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here's the deal. We're in the middle of March, towards the end of March, so we'll call this the March Madness update. How's that? So everything that's going on, I got 10 trips that are booked total, and I'm 6 of them down. I'm down 6, 4 more to go. 4 more. That's 8. But 4 more to go. The only thing I can say right now is the car's doing really well. I'm looking to do a little bit over $800 for the month. And we're getting a lot of new renters. I kind of noticed this. I think Turo's starting to get a little bit more well-known. And with that, you're going to see a lot of new renters. So the only thing I can say right here with all this is really just reach out, go that extra mile, right? Figure out what you got to do to just stand out and give your renters the best experience that you can, right? Because this all ends up coming back down to reviews. You want to make sure you're maintaining that 5-star review rating. So far, I'm sitting about 80% for review rates. So basically, I've had 6 rentals and I've only missed one. One person hasn't reviewed me. I'm not that surprised though, because this person was the very first rental that I had, and I hit him with a smoking charge. So of course he probably got a little ticked off about that. It is what it is. But that goes back to the whole thing of how you're really supposed to handle your customers. And so this was early on. I kind of screwed up and basically just wanted to get done with it and reviewed him right off the bat. And realistically, when this happened, he either didn't review or we were just, I was on the wrong page there, right? So I need to make sure that you get your review from your customer before you start hitting people with charges. Because let's face it, if you get hit with a $150 smoking charge, you know how that rating's going to go. I don't care how good the customer service was. So like I said, I guess I kind of lucked out on that. So at least he didn't ding me with a 1-star right off the bat. But I didn't get a review. So I guess it's kind of win-win, right? And I still did get paid for the outcome of that. Like I said, there's so many new people coming to the platform. So you got to stay on top of it. You got to stay on top of your game. That communication is key. Every single one of them that I've talked to, it's been, hey, I'm new to the platform. I don't know what's going on. What's up with this? What's up with that? Going over insurance. Do I need to show you my insurance? Or hey, we signed up on Facebook, so I'm under my wife's name, but I'm the primary driver, even though it says my wife. Like I said, it's a lot of headache, and you're doing your best to cover yourself as a host, and that makes it very difficult to do when you have everybody so new, right? So that's what I'm saying. Just stay on top of it. Get in there, get in that communication with all of your guests, and just nip it in the bud right off the bat. This is going to play out huge. So far, every rating that I have gotten, instead of just being like a 5-star car was good, everything is down to customer service was great, communication was great, car was amazing. It gets a little more personable and a little more in-depth, and that's what you want. Because obviously, if somebody just goes on there, you can get reviews, 5-star reviews all day long. But when it starts really getting, personal, that's where it's going to really stand out, and you'll get more renters off of it. And basically people will see, because I even saw that. I had one renter come back this weekend, and they were just like, hey, they said your communication was on point, this and that. And I'm new to the platform, and basically had to talk them through the process. There was a little bit of a barrier there. But once again, I got a 5-star rating and a very personalized comment to that rating. So there was good that came out of it. And it just took that little bit extra of just being on top of your game, right? That's what you're here for. It's customer service. You're out there to please the customers, your renters, our renters, and basically stick out above the rest of the people. So like I said, I'm just kind of giving you an idea of where everything's at. I would really strongly suggest you do the same thing. I know I'm not the only one that's seen a bunch of new renters. And it's tough, right? Because when you see somebody new come in, you're not sure. You're like, oh man, here's another one. They're not rated. They're not, am I going to find my car? Because I know that's the biggest thing, right? Luckily, most of mine have been in the airport, so I'm like, okay, at some point, the car's got to make it back to the airport because they got to get home. But like I said, go that extra mile, really get that rapport going with your customer, really make them to where if they are coming back, if they're on flights or if they're regulars, that they're coming back to you, right? Because when it comes down to it, you're in competition to those 150 other people that have cars in the same little circle as you. So what are you going to do to stand out? What are you going to do to basically shine above the rest? I'll tell you right now, I'll be completely honest with you. My pictures for my post, okay, I'm stuttering there. Okay, so I'll tell you right now, I'll be 100% straight up. My post, my pictures, or my advertising, my what is it you even call it? Where is it? I'm trying to find it right here. Looking at my calendar, my listing. Don't know why I couldn't think of that. I've just been, my mind's shot today. My listing, I will, at the end of this month, when I give you the breakdown of the month, how it went, I'll tell you, my pictures are garbage. You look at my car and you're like, holy crap, did you take this with an old Razr phone? You flipped it open and took pictures? I mean, it's just horrible. So if I'm able to pull off the kind of rentals that I do with my customer service and my car that I have, and I'm able to pull that off with the horrible posting or the horrible description or what have you, the fact that my listing pictures are so bad, I'd be like the last one you want to look at, especially when you're looking at some of these other ones. They're just on point. It's almost like they got somebody professional, which I'm not gonna lie, I ain't gonna do that. I ain't got time to spend money for somebody else to take pictures of my car just to go on a platform. But that's just me. So once again, I'll put all that on there. I'll put all this on another video, but the fact that I'm able to get my car out for just about the full month, I have 3 days at the end of the month that are still not booked, which I'll make it happen. We'll make this happen. Got it. But anyway, all right, got sidetracked, got a little wound up. But go back. Like I said in the beginning, make sure that your customer service is on point, right? Make sure it's on point. Make sure your communication is just key. I mean, the last thing you want to do is have a new renter out of town and just feel like they're stuck. And now you're just that guy that's just like, oh yeah, here's my car. Make sure you take care of it. Bring it back. Oh, by the way, I hit you with this charge, that charge, that charge. Now you just pissed them off and they don't ever want to come back to rent from any of us, let alone me. I want to make sure they come to me. If you're going to piss them off, send them my way. I'll make sure I shine. Like I said, just make sure you have a little patience with these people, okay? They're doing the same thing. Well, let's face it, we can flip this script 100 and now they're saying the same thing about us as hosts. But let's not give them that opportunity. Be the one to shine. Be the one to reach out. Say, hey, I want to make sure everything's taken care of. Go over the car front to back. Make sure there's no question whatsoever. And that way they're coming back with 5-star rating and willing to just praise you to high heaven on that platform, so that way now you get more guests coming to you. So once again, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if this is of any use to you guys. I know it is, and I know it should be. It's let's face it, it's all stuff we're going through. So take what you can out of it, toss the rest, whatever, I don't care. Either way, like, subscribe, and hit that notification like I said a few seconds ago. And then drop a comment. If you guys are seeing something else other than what I'm seeing, I want to know. Tell me. Let's work together. Let's get through this together, guys. So the rest of the week is yours. Make sure you guys get it. Get after it. We'll catch you guys later.